Indicators are actually a big topic within the Forex market, and a lot of people use indicators to help within their trading. And today's video, guys, I'm going to show you exactly the 3 only indicators that you need in 2026 to level up your trading this year. So the first one from the very start I'm going to show you guys is this indicator here, and it is the FVG and IAVG indicator. Okay, as you can see here, there's my nephew Sam. So this indicator here will show exactly where the fair value gaps are and where the IAVGs are as well. So as you know from previous videos, spoke about what fair value gaps and was IAVG. This indicator here is pretty much going to help you to identify them and exactly mark them out on your charts so that you don't have to look for them. So as you can see here, what all it pretty much does is shows you exactly where the fair value gaps is. It shows you where the IAVGs are as well, and you can pretty much just use this to your advantage to enter trades within the market. A very good example where the indicator would have worked for you guys is, as you can see here, we not only had the fair value gap, we also had an IAVG formed as well within this area. You can see that's marked out for us. As you can see here, guys, you could have entered a nice long potential trade as we had the multiple tap-ins and retesting this area that we had here from this fair value gap. As you can see, price rocketed straight from this fair value gap. So this is a very, very good indicator for you guys to use. Again, here we had the nice, as you can see here, IAVG formed, as you can see around this area here. Okay, and as you can see here, we formed the IAVG, we tapped back into that IAVG, see here, and this from this candle here is exactly where you'd have entered your trade. And this again would have been a very nice either scaling or just a nice simple trade for you guys to have within the market. So now indicator number 2 that I would recommend you guys using is this one here, and it's liquidity zones. Okay, it's by Big Blue, I don't know really how to say it, but here pretty much what it shows you is where all the liquidity farms sit. So as you can see here, it tells you where liquidity is here. As you can see here, we've got a volume 7124, so it tells you. And then if it does tap into that liquidity, or sorry, takes it, grabs it, it will also mark it for you as well. As you can see here, I'll show you a quick example from a previous liquidity grab. Okay, as you can see here, we had liquidity right here, as you can see, and it says here liquidity grabbed. Again, we had liquidity here, it says liquidity grabbed. Again here, as you can see here, marked out for you here. As you can see, if I draw out the tool, we had liquidity right there, and as soon as we grab this liquidity, what does it say? It says liquidity grabbed. So this is another good indicator that I think you guys should use it when you're trading, because some people find it very hard or difficult to spot where the liquidity actually sits. And what this actually will help you then, guys, is to know where to place your take profits and where to close trades. If you see a reaction from that liquidity grab, you can pretty much just close trades early, and this will really help you within your trading and give you a big advantage within the market. So the last indicator, guys, I recommend you use for this video is the midnight open retracement. And this is very important if you are trading New York session, okay, because what it does, it pretty much shows you where the midnight open is, and it also tells you guys if the midnight open is being grabbed. So as you can see here, for example, we had midnight open, and what does it say? Retracted back to midnight open. And you can also use your advantage trading, because as you can see what happened, we had a midnight open here, price came down, we came back up, we tracked it to the midnight open and closed below. As you can see, price from the midnight open has successfully melted down. Again, you can use it to your advantage to find very good setups in the market and for your entries as well. So all these indicators I've showed you today, guys, in this video, all of these indicators will give you very good confluences within the market so that you know if you're entering the right or the wrong trade. So if this, guys, video helped you massively, please, guys, let me know in the description what the videos you would like to see. I also left my link to my free group down in the description, where I run a couple of services to help you guys with your trading journey so you can be more successful and profitable in Forex. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed that. Again, MattDudeFx, peace out.